Architect Ledger TV. 5 stories. Spoken section. Your EU AI Act compliance deadline just got real. India's borders just got smarter. And we finally figured out why AI can't tell cause from correlation. 3 critical stories reshaping enterprise AI right now. I'm your host on Architect Ledger TV. Let's get into it. The EU AI Act enforcement clock is ticking. And most enterprises are somewhere between, we'll figure it out later, and, oh god, our chatbots are not compliant. 2026 is when real penalties start. The governance frameworks you need. Transparency logs, bias audits, documentation chains. They're not plug and play. If you're running GenAI in production for EU users, you need a maturity audit right now. Start with your chatbot transparency. Who's getting what outputs? Why? And can you explain it? Build your governance stack incrementally. Auditing everything at once will burn you. Takeaway. Compliance isn't a feature you ship later. It's architectural debt that compounds. India's rolling out AI-powered border monitoring nationwide. Thermal drones, smart cameras, integrated radar. This isn't sci-fi. It's live infrastructure detecting movement, filtering false alarms, and feeding real-time intel to human operators. The architecture lesson here is real. Distributed edge AI works. You can't pipe all that sensor data to the cloud. Latency kills border security the same way it kills fraud detection. They're processing at the edge, fusing multimodal sensor data locally, and escalating only what matters. If you're building surveillance, logistics, or security systems, this is your playbook. Localize inference, centralize decision making. Yale researchers just proved what we suspected. Neural networks confuse correlation with causation until you force them to see broken systems. They trained models on sabotaged environments, deliberately broken machines, interrupted processes, and suddenly the models learned actual causal chains instead of pattern matching. This is not academic hand-wringing. If you are building diagnostic systems, failure prediction models, or anything that needs to reason about what caused this, you need synthetic adversarial data in your training set. Real data doesn't show you causation. Chaos does. One sentence. Causation requires training on failure, not just success. Epicor showed how on-premise ERP systems can actually integrate AI agents without ripping out legacy code. The move. Bridge old-school kinetic workflows with modern agentic interfaces. Let AI agents query and execute operations. Expose it all through mobile. This matters because most enterprises have billions locked in ERP systems they can't replace. If your stack is decades old, you don't need a rewrite. You need an agentic glue layer. Takeaway. AI integration doesn't require a replatform. It requires smart middleware that translates between old systems and new intelligence. The vendor landscape consolidated. Best-in-class AI engineering partners are specializing in LLM implementation, RAG pipelines, and agent infrastructure. They're not generalists. They're deep in specific patterns. Retrieval augmented generation for knowledge work. Agent orchestration for operational tasks. If you're evaluating an AI partner, they should have shipped at least 3 production RAG systems and understand agent observability. This is your hiring guide for external architects too. Takeaway. AI services market is fragmenting into specialists. Pick partners who've been in the trenches on your specific problem. EU AI Act compliance checklist on Hugging Face Hub. Free. 15 minutes to skim. Directly maps to article compliance requirements. Do this before Q1 if you ship to European users. That's 5 stories shaping enterprise architecture right now. Subscribe and tell us which is hitting your stack first. Compliance, edge AI, or agent integration. Next episode, we're diving deeper